I can provide you with the recipe for a delicious blueberry cheesecake. Here are the ingredients and preparation. Ingredients. For the base, 200 grams of digestive biscuits or similar, 100 grams of melted butter. For the filling, 500 grams of cream cheese, like Philadelphia, 100 grams of sugar, 1 sachet of vanilla sugar, 2 eggs, juice and grated zest of 1 lemon. For the blueberry coulis, 250 grams of fresh or frozen blueberries, 50 grams of sugar, juice of 1/2 lemon. Preparation. Prepare the base. Finely crush the biscuits and mix them with the melted butter. Press the mixture onto the bottom of a springform pan, previously lined with parchment paper. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to set. Prepare the filling. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, beat the cream cheese with the sugar and vanilla until smooth. Add the eggs, one at a time, while continuing to mix. Incorporate the lemon juice and grated zest. Pour the cheese mixture over the cooled biscuit base and level it with a spatula. Bake the cheesecake in the oven for about 1 hour or until the center is firm to the touch. Remove from the oven and let it cool completely before removing from the pan. Prepare the blueberry coulis. Place the blueberries in a saucepan with the sugar and lemon juice. Cook over medium-low heat until the blueberries have softened and the sugar has dissolved. Blend with an immersion blender until smooth. Pass through a sieve to remove any seeds and let cool. Pour the cold blueberry coulis over the cheesecake and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. Serve the blueberry cheesecake chilled. Curiosity. Cheesecake is a beloved dessert that dates back to ancient times. It's believed to have been enjoyed by the ancient Greeks. The modern version, especially the one with cream cheese, was developed in the United States, and from there it has spread worldwide, adapting to local tastes with different fruits and flavors. In the case of blueberries, they pair perfectly with the creaminess of the cheese and the tartness of the lemon, offering a beautiful contrast both in flavor and color.